For question number 14, we must take a look of the graph of y is equal to x squared first. Okay, so let's do that. And we'll do it by first making a table, the x and y table. Y is equal to x squared. That way we can get some points. And let me do it with 5 points. I will start off with a 0 in the middle. I'll pick 0 for x. If x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0 squared. 0 squared, right? So that's equal to 0. So I have my first point, 0, 0. And once I choose 0, I can just pick its neighbor numbers. I have 0, I can pick 1 and 2. And -1, -2. And let me just continue and finish up this table. If x is equal to 2, then y is equal to, put a parenthesis around the x, put the 2 inside, and square that 2. We get 4. So we get my point, 2, 4. Okay, and then if x is equal to 1, y is equal to parentheses, +1 square is equal to 1. 1, 1. Another point. If x is equal to -1, y is equal to parentheses, and then you put -1 inside, square. This means -1 times -1 results a +1. So another point, x is equal to -1, y is equal to +1. Last one, y is equal to parentheses, and put a -2 inside, square. This we do -2 times -2, which results a +4. -2, 4. So with this, and let me just kind of sketch up the graph of this function here, this equation here, y, and then we have 0, 0, and let me do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Okay, so 0, 0 is in the middle. I'll use black. And 0, 0 is in the middle, so it's right here. And let me just start located 1, 1. So 1, 1 is this point, 1, 1. -1 for x, +1 for y, it's right here. And then we have 2, 4. So you go 1, 2, and then 4 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's about right there. -2, 4. 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will connect this with like a U shape, and just try to make your graph as pretty as possible, just like this. So this is the graph of the equation or the function x squared. So this is the graph of y is equal to x squared. And then instead we have another thing. We have the circle centered at 0, 1. So let me draw the circle with red. 0, 1 is the center of the circle. That's right here. And it says that the radius is equal to 3. So right here, we need to go up 3, go to the left 3, and then go to the right 3, and go down 3. And then from those 4 points, I'm going to connect that with a circle. And let me show you what I mean. So this is the center. This is the center of the circle. Go up 3, 1, 2, 3. So let me put a point right there. Go to the left 3, 1, 2, 3. So right here, put a point right there. And then go to the right 3, 1, 2, 3, right here. Go down 3, 1, 2, 3, right here. And then you connect this 4 points with a circle. Yeah, just try to draw your circle, as round as possible, as pretty as possible. Just like this. So as we can see that the radius will be equal to 3. And you just kind of just imagine that I actually draw a perfect circle. Okay, we are going to see how many points of intersection do we have. And once you have this picture, this is clear. Point of intersection is just where they intersect. We see 1 and we see 2, right? 2 points of intersection. That's answer choice C.